Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today, we're going to make hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer. Alright, so I just turned on my temperature for 250 degrees, and now I'm going to put my 3 eggs in here. Put them in here. Now we're going to turn on the knob for 20 minutes. When it dings, I'll have hard-boiled eggs. Did you hear it ding? It's done. So it's time to get them out. And we're going to peel them and we can eat them. If it's too hot, you can run it underwater. And these are very hot. Now it's time to crack these eggs and eat them. I got my eggs peeled. Now I'm going to try one out. Okay, I'm going to take a bite now. It turned out pretty good. Here's my egg. It took 20 minutes. I went to go do something for 20 minutes. And I didn't have to watch my egg boil. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.